Hello students, good morning. This is the demo class for Olympiad and I have already discussed with you history chapter 1 sources of medieval Indian history. Now today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 2. This is also from history and the name of the chapter is New Kings and Kingdoms. Okay. Here also so many questions I have given but few questions I am discussing with you in this class. So question number 1. The temple was built of Rajaraja I of the Chola dynasty. That means which picture we are showing here to the temple. It was actually built by Rajaraja I and it was built where in Chola dynasty. But name the temple. What is the name of the temple? So there are four options are given. One is Sun Temple. Next is Brihadeshwara Temple. Third is Viru Prakash Temple, and the last one is Vithala Temple. Okay, so answer is the correct answer is Brihadeshwara Temple. Okay, so Rajaraja I in Chola dynasty who was made the temple and it was named Brihadeshwara Temple. Now question number 2. Which of the following was the capital of Chandelas? Options are Khajuraho, Kanchi, Tanjore and Malkhed. As the we know that Khajuraho is the was actually the uh, capital. Okay, so Chandelas were Rajput rulers whose capital was at Khajuraho. So Khajuraho is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 4. Okay, few questions actually I'm discussing with you. What was the Garbhagriha in a temple? What was Garbhagriha in a temple? This is very important. Options are given: the room in which only kings could enter. Number B, the room in which travelers rested. The main next option, the main chamber in which the idol was kept. And the last option, the chamber in which priests lived. So answer is number C. It is always for the correct. The main chamber in which the idol was kept. So actually, Garbhagriha was the innermost sanctuary of a Hindu temple. Okay, or you can say the innermost room of a Hindu temple where the idol of the primary deities resided. No one except the main priest could enter into the Garbhagriha. Okay, so for that is why this is called the Garbhagriha is known as the main chamber in which the idol was kept. Now I am to discuss with you the next question, that is uh, suppose that is yes, number 8. The Paya spread over the entire region of Das from 8th to 12th century. Okay, the Palas, Palas, the Palas spread over the entire region of Dash from 8th to 12th centuries. Options are Haryana and Punjab, Bihar and Bengal, Deccan, and the last option is Western India. So here option is Bihar and Bengal. Number B is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next question I'm going to discuss with you, that is suppose question number 10. Okay. Chola rulers became famous for their dash. Answer. Options are efficient administration, military conquests, patronage to art and architecture, all of these. So Chola rulers became famous for their Here is all of this. Okay, all of this is the answer. That means efficient administration for their military conquest, for their patronage to art and architecture. Now, suppose question number 12. Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni belongs to which country? From which country Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni belong to? Options are Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and Iran. Answer is Ghazni is a place in Afghanistan from where Mahmud Ghazni belonged. Okay, as this is the as Ghazni actually is in the Afghanistan, so number C is the correct answer. Now the next question, suppose question number 13. Chauhans ruled over the region of Dash, Malwa and Gujarat, Delhi and Ajmer, Bengal and Assam, Gujarat and Rajasthan. So Chauhans ruled over the region of of Delhi and Ajmer. Number B is the correct answer. Ajmer actually was the capital of Chauhan's rulers. For that reason, actually Chauhans ruled over the region of Delhi and Ajmer. Now, this is very interesting. Question number 19. Okay, question number 19. Following are the names of Rajput dynasties. Here Rajput dynasties names are given, okay? And their kingdoms also given. So which among the following are correctly matched? That means match the following. It is like match the following. Actually, match the following, the names of the Rajput dynasty and their kingdom. So first option is yes. First option is Gahadavala and right side it is written Kanauj. Number 2, Paramaras, right side it is written Malwa. Chandelas, right side it is written Bundelkhand. Chahamanas, right side it is written Ajmer. Now, which is the correctly matched? 1 and 2 only? 1, 2 and 4 only? 1 and 3 only? Number D is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, which matching is correct? 1 and 2? Or number B 1, 2 and 4? Number C 1 and 3? And number D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, the correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means number D. Okay. So in this way questions will come and you will just not actually take the correct answer. Your procedure is in this way. Okay. You will get this type of one page, okay, and that page actually you filled up the circle which is the correct option. Here you can see the against number 1 A B C D is given, against number 10 A B C D is given. So number 1 which is the correct answer, if it is B then you just circle it, the fill the circle properly in the B section, okay. So this is actually your work and this way you will do the answer. Now the next question I am going to discuss with you. The next question is, yes, number 20. Who among the following had a strong navy? Who among the following had a strong navy? Cholas, Palasas, Rashtrakutas and Chahamanas. Correct answer is Which is the correct answer? Do you know? Cholas had a strong naval power. So answer is number A. Only Cholas actually that time have the strong naval power or strong navy. This is the answer. Now here also is given few HOTS question, and you can see here also the images is given. Okay. Now I am discussing with you question number 22. What is question number 22? Select the incorrect match. Select the incorrect match. So, number 1 is Valanvagal with the land of non-Brahmanas present properties. Proprietors. Number B is Brahmadeva, that is actually is given land gifted to Brahmanas. Pallichandam, land gifted to temples. And number D, Shahalavoga, it means land for the maintenance of school. So which is the correct answer? Once again, which is the incorrect match? Vallanvagal with the land of non-Brahmanas present proprietors. Brahmadeva Dea with the land gifted to the Brahmanas. Pallichahandam, it is the land gifted to temples. And Shahalavoga, land for the maintenance of school, which is the actually the select the incorrect match, which is incorrect matching. So number 22 is answer is number C. This is the incorrect matching. Pallichandam was land donated to Jaina institutions. This is the correct answer. If you want, you can note it down. Once again, I repeat the correct answer. This is the incorrect match actually. So correct answer is Pallichandam was a land donated to Jaina institutions. Okay. Okay students. So today I have complete actually with few questions and answered with the explanation chapter number 2. And in my next class, I will discuss with you next chapter from once again history, that is the Delhi Sultans and the Mughal Empire. Okay, so still thank you and goodbye.